I'm going to use a cucumber to demonstrate the different types of cuts that can be made on tissues and organs in order to make the slides. So the first one that I'm going to demonstrate here is a cross section. So I'm going to lay my cucumber on its side like this, and I'm going to make a cut right through the middle of the cucumber like so. And so this would be considered a cross section. Okay. Now I can also make a longitudinal section. So if I put the cucumber on its end and I was to make a cut this way, and I've already done that for you, then this would be a longitudinal section that I would obtain from the organ or tissue that I was looking for. So this would be a longitudinal section. So you can see the difference here between the longitudinal section and this cross section that I have. Okay, so this would be a big difference. A lot of the slides that we are going to look at would be made using the cross section approach so that you can get across through the entire organ. But occasionally we'll have what is referred to as the longitudinal section, or the LS, where we get a longer view, not a cross-sectional view, but a longer view down the length of the organ. The last section that we can get is an oblique section, and that's when we make a diagonal cut, and I've made one here for you. So I've taken this and made a diagonal cut, and so you can see that an oblique section kind of looks like a cross between our longitudinal section and our cross section. So they all are in comparison with one another. Here is my cross section. Okay. Here is my oblique section. And here is my longitudinal section. So they each have their own characteristics, and just keep these in mind as you're looking at the histological views as to whether you're looking at a cross section through the organ, a longitudinal section, or an oblique section.